Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to prevent negative reviews from landing on your Amazon FBA listings. Number one would be actually proper negative reviews research. So what you need to do is you need to go to the products in your niche and see the 1-star, 2-star and 3-star reviews for all the top competing products that are constantly selling. So if you can find potential problems that are in these reviews that people actually mention in these reviews, for example, if you want to source a garlic press and you see that many 1- or 2-star reviews talk about a very weak handle that breaks, then you might go to your manufacturer and ask for a better handle or find a different design of this product. And this way you're going to prevent the reviews. Now, think about this. Number 3 reviews, the 3-star reviews, actually are like constructive criticism of your product usually. So people might have liked your product, but in the 3-star reviews, they might say something like they were wishing for to be in this product. And that's why 3-star reviews are a very interesting part of reviews, so make sure you give attention to these as well. Now, in order to make this really quick, in order to gather all the reviews in a quick way, saving yourself a lot of time, you have a really nice tool that's called the Review Downloader by Helium 10. The Review Downloader actually allows you to go to a specific listing and get all the negative reviews or all the positive reviews in front of you in a click of a button. So if you want to know more about this, I'm going to have a video up here and in the description of this video about this tool, the Review Downloader. It's a free tool. I really recommend you using that because it will really help you prevent your negative reviews and actually will help you also find a lot of information about your product. So please make sure to watch this video later on. Way number 2 of preventing negative reviews is actually giving proper instructions to your customers. So if your product demands instructions, and even if it's an easy to use product, I would still recommend you giving some basic instructions for this product. Well, unless it's a product that doesn't need instructions at all, and make sure to include these instructions in your emails, the follow-up emails that you send to your customers. Also, make sure to include it in your product package or in your product insert. You can actually print it on the package itself if you want, or you can actually print it on an insert, like a paper insert that you put with your product. Think about different products you buy. Usually have instructions how to use the product, how to set the product up. Make sure to include these. Another tip I would give you is video instruction. Now, video instruction can be added to your listing on Amazon, or it can be sent in the follow-up emails as a file on Amazon. Many people don't know that, but if you upload a file to Amazon Drive or Amazon Cloud, you can actually include it in your post-purchase emails as something like an instruction video. So you're gonna have a link to this video on Amazon itself, and Amazon does allow these links. So that's like a cool thing. So for example, on the first email that they're receiving automatically for you, you're gonna tell them, here are the instructions, but here's also a video. Make sure you watch this video to understand how to best use these products. Now, if you want to know more about these follow-up emails, I'm going to have a video for you up here in the card and in the description down below. In this video, you're going to have different ways of post-purchase emails, different ways to use them. I have different ways to build titles there, to build the body of the email. Also, in this video, I have 5 free templates for you that you can use for your post-purchase emails. So really a must-watch video. Way number 3 is anti-return and anti-refund emails. And let me explain you what that's all about. So sometimes people are not happy about your product, no matter how good your product is. So they will either return it or refund their money. That's something people can do on Amazon. Probably you're familiar with that. Now, if you don't do much about it, what can happen is the next scenario. Somebody refunded their purchase, you can see it on your end on Seller Central, you don't do much about it, and later on they go on your listing and leave you a bad negative review. Or Amazon follows them up on their purchase, asks for their opinion, and they're gonna give you a bad review because they refunded. Most likely they were not happy. So what can you do about it? Well, there's a thing that's called post-purchase emails. And aside from post-purchase emails that I mentioned before, there's also the return and refund emails. So they're gonna be triggered once somebody returns or refunds their purchase. Let me give you an example. Somebody just refunded your garlic press. You can set an option in Helium 10 Follow-Up or FeedbackWhiz. These are different tools for email follow-up. I'm going to have them linked in the description for you. Both of them are going to be linked. Both are affiliate links. Affiliate link means that if you ever purchase these products, I'm going to give you a little cut from these products. That's a way for you to support my free content here. No extra cost. You actually have some discounts down there for these tools as well. But the thing is what's going to happen is somebody refunds and they're going to get straight away an email from you saying something like, hey, this is Jessica from Cool Product Sellers Online, and I'm here to tell you that I have sent the money back to your account. That's pretty cool. Here it is. I'm sorry for what happened, and let me know the reason, please. I would like to know. Right? That's an automatic email that's going to be sent. And it's actually going to help you understand the reason behind why they returned or refunded. And this will give you an option to improve in order to prevent reviews in the future, but also it gives you an option to prevent it from the customer that's not happy. So you can follow up. Sometimes you will actually you will ask them to respond to this email. You're going to say, please respond to this email. Let me know what happened. We really care, right? And this is done both for the refund and the return email. And this is just a great way to save yourself some hustle, some time, and some money as well, because it's gonna give you less negative reviews. Now, if you want to get templates for all the emails that I've mentioned here, here's a video for you up here that has all the templates. It has all the explanations of how to set everything up. Really must watch if you want to get less negative reviews, get more positive reviews. So click on it right now to watch it. Thank you a lot for watching. Bye-bye.